Good day, everyone. Roelof here from QuintPay. I'm super excited to show you a new feature that we've released within the QuintPay environment and into our already awesome software. So when you've logged into QuintPay, this is it. We've now created the ability for you to be able to check and to stop people from just applying for loans online. So maybe you've declined this consumer in the last couple of days and they keep on reapplying and they keep on wasting resources and checks to recheck them, and you just want to be able to stop them. Or maybe they've been flagged as a fraudulent customer either by yourself or by someone else within the QuintPay ecosystem, and you just want to block them. You want to stop them from applying into your environment. You can now do that within QuintPay. So you're going to need a setting over here called online application settings. Now this is only available for administrators, so you have to go and give yourself this role. If you don't see the online application settings menu over here, you need to go into your settings menu and you need to hop over to roles. Then you'll see all your list of roles here, but you as the administrator of the solution needs to go on edit the role, and you'll find a setting here called online application settings. You'll find this box is unticked, so you just need to go and tick it. Then you click on save, and then once you've refreshed your screen at the top over here, you will now find a setting that's called online application settings. Now from here it's very simple. You can type in the number of days that you want to block an applicant. So what does this mean? This means that if a person has applied for an online loan and you have come here to your online applications over here and you've actually clicked on reject, so you've rejected the last application for this customer, then that customer will not be able to apply for a loan again for this amount of days. Whatever you've set it, 30 days, 50 days, 100 days, 200 days, 365 days, whatever you want to block it at, you can block it. Done. So that's number one. Then we've built in two additional settings here for you where we said block for fraudulent applications in my company and block for fraudulent applications within the QuintPay environment. So what does this mean? So first of all, if I set this setting here, block fraudulent in any QuintPay company, you'll see that this is grayed out, because then we will go and check. So if another merchant marked this consumer as fraudulent, that consumer will not be able to apply through your online portal. But if you say, hey, other consumers might make a mistake, might not make a mistake, I don't care. I just want to block them. If in my company they are blocked as fraud, you will tick that box. And when they apply and they marked as fraud, they will be blocked. They will not be able to apply. And that is how we are helping you to manage your online applications. Now we're helping you to funnel it through your solution. Have a great day and be blessed. If you need more help with this, please contact our support department by opening up a support ticket over here, and then we'll be able to assist you immediately. Have an awesome day. Cheers for now.